Okay, this tutorial is for those who want to model correctly in Revit. Specifically, it is for structures. If you are an engineer and you want to know how to model with Revit structure, this video is for you. So let's get started. If you open Revit, this is the what you will see initially. So you go and click new, you choose the metric, then you browse. I normally pick structural analysis default metric. This is it. Then you click open. Let it be on the project. You click OK. Wait, Revit is loading. Okay, this is the working space. So all that you need to do is to start creating your levels. How do you create them? I just put it to level 1. And if you want to create your levels, for example, you want to uh, create your ground floor level, first floor level, and the roof level. You click on any of the elevation. Now you can start creating your level. This is what you will see. You click on this and rename it neutral ground level. Say yes. Click on this and rename it ground floor level. Then you click yes. But from the natural ground floor level to the ground floor level, you want it to be 450 millimeters. Click enter. This you can guess. Click on the sign here to let it be apart. Now you click on any of the level, then come and find this symbol, create similar. Then you click on it. We'll be using it. You draw it, your level. This is your foundation. And with your foundation, if you click on it, you give your foundation depth. The depth of our foundation is 1 meter. That's 1000. You click OK. Then you rename it foundation level. Okay. Then you have to create your first floor level. And the first floor level will start from the ground floor level to that. So you click on any of the level. Create similar. You just draw that, draw your roof level. That is simple. Then you click on this and the spacing, your room height. I want it to be 3000 millimeters. And from the first floor to the roof level, I want it to be 3000 millimeters. Enter. Now this you have to rename it to first floor level, and this will be your roof level. Okay, you are done. So these are your levels that you have done. Now you have to come to the project browser. You have to see, you need to see the first floor, the roof level, and the foundation in the project browser, but they are not appearing. How do you do that? You go to view, plan views, structural plans. Then you hold control and select all this. Click OK. You'll see them populated. Now, you have to start creating the, the grid lines. And to create grid lines, you go to structure, grid, you just draw it. I want the horizontal grid to be 3. So I just draw it randomly. And I want the spacing between this to be between this and that to be 3 meters centers. So 3000, press enter. Then you click on the next one and give it 3000, press enter. My horizontal grids are fine. Click on one of them and click create similar. You draw it. I want 4 of the vertical ones. And with the vertical ones, I want the numbering to start from A. Then I click create similar. I just draw it 4 grid lines. That is what I want. 4 grid lines. Okay. But this spacing, I want it to be 4 meters. So 4000 millimeters. I click on that. 4000 millimeters. And I click on this and type 4000 millimeters. Okay. Then you can just drag this one closer, drag that one closer, and drag this one closer, depending on how you want your drawing to look. Okay. Now I finished my grid. Now, oh, I was creating this at the roof level. Go to the ground floor and see what it is there. It's there. Okay. But the ground, you want to create columns. How do you model columns? You model columns starting from the ground floor. Go to structure. You can see column here. Then you go to properties. You have to select any concrete column, any of them, and click edit type, duplicate, column 250 by 250. Then you click OK. You have to edit the dimensions 250 by 250. Apply. OK. Now I am here. I can place it at all where I want my column to be placed. I can place it one by one, or I come to at grid. Click on add grid and you select all the click finish. All your columns have been populated. Go to 3D and see how your columns look. Okay, you come to this visual style and click on it, make it shaded. Click on one of them and right click, select all instances visible in view. Then you come to your properties. You can see that the base level is at NGL. that is the natural ground floor level, and we want it to be at the foundation. The found, no, the foundation level. It should be at the foundation level, and the top level should be at the ground floor level. So we have our columns. So now, if I have my columns like this, I can copy this to the first floor. I come to copy to clipboard, click on paste, come to align to selected levels, then you select first floor level, click OK. You can see that they are hanging because of constraints. Come to the base level should be ground floor level, and the base offset should be 0. You have your columns being populated. Copy the same thing that we're seeing to the roof level. Then you have to go to copy to clipboard, and you have to click on paste, align to selected level, then you select roof level. Okay, you have modeled all your columns. So you can see that columns has been modeled. Column has been modeled. Okay. Now we have to model the beams. And to model the beams, you have to go to first floor level. Here that I will want to model the beams. Okay. So you go to structure, beam, you have to be on your properties, click on this and select any concrete beam. Edit type, duplicate, beam 250 by 450. Then you click OK. Edit the dimension 250 by 450. Apply. OK. You can start drawing one by one like this, that, that, or you just come to uh, on grid and click on grid. Then you select all the click on finish. And when you go to 3D, you see that your beams has been modeled. All right. Click on select any of the beam and right click, select all instances in view. Click on that. Select all the beams. You want to move it to the roof level. How do you do that? Go to copy to clipboard, paste, align to selected level, select roof level. Okay. Finish modeling your beams. Simple. You want to model the slab. How do you do that? You go to first floor. Here that we want to model our first floor, our slab. And you have to go to floors, let it be on structure, go to floors, structural floor, then you click on this symbol rectangle and click the end here, then you relax here. Seems this didn't match the lines, and so you have to come to align. Click on this and click on that. Click on this and you click on that. Then they will match. Click OK. Come and click finish. When you go to first floor, 3D, you can see your, your slab. But the slab is big. We didn't duplicate it. How do you do that? Go to create edit type, duplicate it, type slab 150. Then you click on edit 150. OK. Apply and OK. See that your slab has become smaller. This is nice. Now you have to model the ground floor slab. Go to the ground floor. You go to floors, structural floor. Click on this rectangle. Click one part of one end of the column. Then you come to other end. Click finish. You can do this. If you go to the 3D, see your, but we didn't choose this slab. So you just click on the slab, press here, you will see the slab we created, slab 150. Then it will reduce. Okay, we left with creating the staircase. So how do you create stair on this? Go to the ground floor, go to architecture, come to stairs, you go to this place and choose monolithic stair, and with this you have to create sketch. This is simple way in creating stairs. So this is the boundary. I have to select the boundary and select line. If I want, I can select the rectangle. Just come to the column end here. The column end here. This is the boundary, and I still want to. I'll have to know the center or this one. I have to measure from here to here. And I see like this. So with this, if I divide this 2750 by 2, I will get 1350 or 13. Let's divide it. 1375. Okay, 2750 divided by 1375. Okay, I delete that and I come to offset. And I type 1375 and I offset this to the center. You go to offset again, type 50. Then you offset this to the end, offset this to the back, and delete the center one. Just press DE. Okay, but the landing, I want the landing to be 1.2 meters. So I press on offset 1200 and you offset it back. Then you trim it, this and that, and that. We are making the stair. Okay, we have making the stair like that, and you have to delete this band. Okay, now you have to start creating your risers. Click on riser, click on the line, come on, place it here. We need one riser created, 16 remaining. So you go to set, go to offset. If you look at here, what was our actual depth? Go to offset, you want 300, 1 foot. Hmm? Go, 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 then you click offset. You left with 10, 7 created, 10 remaining. Go, you go, 9 created, 8 remaining. Then you have to send the 8 to this place. Select all and mirror it. Okay, then 1 remaining. This is -1. That means that you have to delete 1. DE. Then you trim it. Trim this and that. And you trim here to here. And you trim this to this. If you don't trim it, the stair will not be created. Okay. Then you press no. You have to create your stair part. One stair, line, and you start from the middle up to this. The middle up to the middle. And you cross it. You click on finish. Okay. Okay. Then you can flip it if you want it this one to be here. This means you have to start from the going from here all the way to this and land at here. But if you want to flip it, you can click on this symbol and it will flip. Okay. So you click on finish. Okay. Done. Go to 3D. See that 3D you cannot see the stair. You just press, if you want to see the stair, you just press VV and you look for stair. Look for stair. Stair is here. Then you check it. Check it here. Click apply. Okay. You can see your stair being populated. Stair is populated. This is fine. It's good. Okay. So we left with creating the part footings. Part footings. How do you model part footings in Revit? Then you have to go to foundation level. And here is foundation level. You go to properties and you go to structure, come to isolated foundations and you click on it. You have to edit type, click on duplicate part. So you want it 1 meter by 1 meter, 1 meter by 1 meter by 225 OK, and you edit the dimensions 225 1 meter and 1 meter. Click apply. OK. So you can, as I said, you can just click at grid, click on at grid, and you select all the grids and it will be populated. Click OK. When you go to 3D, you can see that the model is complete. So if you like this video, like it and subscribe. More tutorials will be coming. Thank you for watching.